exercise 1.2, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Previous videos la irrational numbers enna root 2, root 3, root 5. You have to include pi is also irrational number. Okay. So what is our question? 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Okay. So I assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Okay. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime integers and b not equal to 0. Previous lessons they same da prove paniko. Okay. So 3 plus 2 root 5. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a by b. A by b. So 2 root 5 is equal to a by b minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by b, taking LCM. So root 5 is equal to a minus 3b divided by 2b. Okay. So left hand side, right hand side. Since a and a, b, 2, 3 are integers, since a, b, 2, 3 are integers, a minus right hand side, a minus 3b divided by 2b is rational. Okay. And so right hand side is rational means, and so root 5, left hand side root 5 is rational. Okay, it's a contradiction. Okay, why I am telling like this? It's a contradiction. So irrational numbers of root 5 is irrational number. Here we are getting yes, root 5 is rational. It's a contradiction. So the statement is false. It's a false statement. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational